Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot Bluetooth issues on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select the update and security tile. On the left side underneath Update and Security, you want to select Troubleshoot. And now on the right side, you want to select Additional Troubleshooters. And now underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, select Bluetooth, Find and Fix Problems with Bluetooth Devices, and select Run the Troubleshooter. And then just let this go ahead and run here. And then just go ahead and proceed here. And hopefully if there are any issues, they would have been resolved once you're done running this utility. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.